For good vision, it is very important that a clear and sharp image is formed on retina. But sometimes, due to defect in eye, the image is formed either in front of retina or behind the retina, and sometimes a cloudy layer appears in front of the lens, so we are not able to see the things properly and clearly. So students, we are going to discuss such defect of eye like myopia, hypermetropia and cataract, and how this defect can be corrected. So first we'll be discussing about myopia, also known as short-sightedness or myopia. Both are same. A person suffering from myopia cannot see far off object clearly, but a person can see the near objects clearly. Means जो भी पर्सन को मायोपिया हुआ है उसे दूर की चीजें क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देगी, बट पास में जो भी चीजें हैं वो दिखाई देगी. और अगर बच्चे हम तुम्हारा एग्जाम्पल ले तो ब्लैक बोर्ड में जो भी टीचर ने लिखा है वो क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देगा, बट तुम्हारी बुक में जो लिखा है तुम क्लियरली पढ़ सकते हो. तो इस टाइप के डिफेक्ट को हम मायोपिया या तो नियर साइटेडनेस और शॉर्ट साइटेडनेस कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. ये इसकी वजह क्या है कि जब भी रे ऑफ लाइट आती है तो इमेज जो है वो रेटिना पे नहीं बट रेटिना से पहले प्रोड्यूस होती है. इसी वजह से हमें दूर की चीजें प्रॉपरली दिखाई नहीं देती है बट पास की चीजें दिखाई देती है. सो मायोपिया or short-sightedness, in this a person suffering from it cannot see far off object clearly, but near object can be seen clearly, and this happens because ray of light coming from far off object are focused in front of retina and not at retina. Now let us see how this defect can be corrected. Students, this defect can be corrected using concave lens of suitable power. Which? Concave lens. This lens diverges the ray of light coming from object and thus focuses them on retina. तो जब ये डिफेक्ट होगा कौन सा? मायोपिया, तब हम कॉनकेव लेंस का यूज करेंगे. मीन्स चश्मे में हम कॉनकेव लेंस फिट करवाएंगे ऑफ सूटेबल पावर. और ये कॉनकेव लेंस क्या करेगा? लाइट रेज जो आ रही है ऑब्जेक्ट पे से जो दूर है उसको फोकस करेगा रेटिना पे, और जिसकी वजह से हम ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली देख सकेंगे. कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट? हाँ, जो ऑब्जेक्ट दूर है उसे. So, myopia or short-sightedness is a disease in which a person can see near objects clearly but cannot focus on distant object, and this defect can be corrected using a concave lens. Next defect which we are going to discuss is hypermetropia और लॉन्ग साइटेडनेस. बच्चों, इसमें इमेज जो है ना वो रेटिना पे नहीं बट रेटिना के पीछे जो है प्रोड्यूस होगी, और जिसकी वजह से जो पर्सन जो है पास की चीज़ें क्लियरली नहीं देख सकेगा बट दूर की चीज़ें जो है क्लियरली देख सकेगा. सो इन हाइपरमेट्रोपिया और लॉन्ग साइटेडनेस, a person cannot see nearby object very clearly, but object at distance can be seen clearly. This is because the ray of light coming from near object are focused behind retina and not on retina. Now let us see how this defect can be corrected, in which a person cannot see the object which are near to us and the object can be seen clearly which are far away from us. So this defect can be corrected using convex lens. Which lens? Convex lens. And what does this convex lens do? The convex lens converges the ray of light coming from object and thus focuses them on retina. तो ये जब डिफेक्ट होगा कौन सा? हाइपरमेट्रोपिया, तो हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ऑफ सूटेबल पावर जो है यूज़ करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से ये रे ऑफ लाइट जो पास के ऑब्जेक्ट से आ रही है वो रेटिना पे प्रॉपरली फोकस हो जाए और हम पास की चीज़ें प्रॉपरली देख सके। तो हम कौन सा लेंस यूज़ करेंगे? तो के कॉन्वेक्स लेंस। सो लेट्स समराइज अबाउट hypermetropia or long-sightedness. A person who can see distant object clearly but cannot focus on nearby object. In this case, the ray of light coming from nearby object are focused behind the retina and not at retina, and it can be corrected by using convex lens of suitable power. The next defect which we are going to discuss is cataract. Cataract is a condition of an eye when eye lens becomes cloudy or opaque, especially one gets older. तो कैटरैक्ट में क्या होता है? एक क्लाउडी लेयर जो है हमारे आँखों के लेंस के ऊपर आ जाती है, जिसकी वजह से हमें चीज़ें क्लियर दिखाई नहीं देती है। और ये डिफेक्ट जो है जैसे ओल्ड एज में जो है दिखने को मिलती है। जब कैटरैक्ट होता है तो चीज़ें क्लियर या दिखाई नहीं देती है, फिर रात को देखने में तकलीफ होती है और कलर्स जो है उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए भी तकलीफ होती है और कभी कभी दो डबल विजन जो है हो जाता है। सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कैटरैक्ट। व्हाट? ब्लर्ड इमेज, trouble seeing at night, seeing colored as faded, and double vision is there. Now, this defect can be corrected by using surgery. So, surgery is recommended by doctors to correct it. तो कैटरैक्ट डिफेक्ट में जब लेंस के आजू बाजू क्लाउडी लेयर आ जाती है, जिसकी वजह से हमें चीज़ें क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देती है, धुंधली दिखाई देती है और कभी कभी दो चीज़ें दिखाई देती है और रात को थिंग्स जो है क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देती है। दूसरा, ये जो है मोस्टली जैसे एज बढ़ती जाती है तभी होती है और इसे हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज में मोतिया भी कहते हैं। और इसकी ट्रीटमेंट क्या है? तो सिर्फ सर्जरी करते हैं, जिससे लेंस के आजू बाजू क्लाउडी लेयर जो प्रोड्यूस हुई है उसे हम निकाल देते हैं। सो दिस इज अबाउट कैटरैक्ट। A cataract is a condition of an eye when eye lens becomes cloudy as one gets older, and cataract can be corrected by doing the surgery so that to get a clear vision. Now we'll be moving to our next topic, technology for coping with visually impairment. Students, millions of people across the world have sight problem. Means उन्हें दिखाई नहीं देता. They are said to be visually impaired or visually challenged. There are some technologies available for visually challenged people to make their life easy and comfortable. So we are going to see which are the technology is available for these people. The first one is Braille system. The Braille system enables blind people to read and write. It uses raised dots to represent alphabets and numbers. Next is Braille typewriters. Braille typewriters enables visually challenged people to do typing. Next gadget is voice typing. Voice typing on smartphone usually helps these people to make a call. Even audiobooks are used by visually challenged people. These audiobooks are used by these people by connecting it to the computers. Specially designed computers are there for visually challenged people. They are known as Braille computers. So Braille computers have raised dots which help the blind people to use it effectively. Then special keyboards are there, scanners, printers are some of the devices used by visually challenged people in their day-to-day life to make their life simple. Softwares like Java are available to help these people. Java allows people to read the screen either with text-to-text speech output or a refreshable Braille script. So these are the few examples of technology which are being used by visually challenged people to help in their day-to-day life and make their life simple and comfortable. Healthy mind dwells in healthy body. So we have to eat balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy. Eye health has a very strong relationship with the food we eat. Eating food rich in vitamin A such as carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, liver, egg yolk and butter will prevent us from light blindness, as night blindness are the defect of eye caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Students, oxygen inhaled during respiration produces radicals in our body. These radicals can damage the retina of our eye. We have already discussed about retina where the image is formed. So, the food items rich in vitamin C and E and minerals produce antioxidant. These antioxidants can neutralize the effect of radicals. So, eating food specially rich in vitamin C and E can maintain a rich supply of antioxidants. And recent studies have indicated that antioxidants called carotenoids present in colored fruits and vegetables are very useful in maintaining good eye health. So students, you have to eat all green vegetables, fruits for your good health of your eyes. And to prevent any defects in your eyes such as myopia or hypermetropia. Our eye is very important organ of our body and we have to take very good care of our eye. Here are few suggestions how we can take care of our eye and prevent many defects of the eye. First, get your eye tested periodically, and if doctor have prescribed to wear glasses, then wear them. Next, do not play with sharp objects. It may injure our eyes, and even don't throw small pieces in others' eyes while playing or just teasing. It may damage our eyes. Next, Do not play games such as cricket, basketball, any games with your glasses on. You have to remove your glasses, then you have to play games. So these are few things you have to keep in mind regarding your eyes. So students, in this video we discuss about eye defect such as myopia, hypermetropia and cataract, and how this defect can be corrected using a concave or convex lens of suitable power, and also by doing surgery we can correct this defect. Then we saw about technology for coping up with visual impairment. Then in the last we discuss about nutrition and eye health, that is how we can take care of our eyes and see this beautiful world around us. So students, I am repeating, please go through the video twice and also read the chapter properly for your better understanding. Thank you.